Namaskar, I am your host Narainkar. In this video, I will discuss how Narendra Modi has been targeted by the liberal media and the Congress Prince Rahul Gandhi and his men. And I shall also discuss how Narendra Modi has taken upon himself to fight the coronavirus. Almost all political leaders have been playing politics and holding Prime Minister Modi responsible for the corona crisis in the country, even though health issue is the responsibility of the states. He is such an unblemished leader that as a prime minister, he could have pulled up and put all the blames on the chief ministers who failed to curb the surge of COVID pandemic in their respective states. I am not blaming only Uddhav Thackeray, Arvind Kejriwal. I am blaming all the chief ministers, including those chief ministers who are running BJP government. And Narendra Modi, during the meeting of the chief ministers, he did not speak a single word against the chief minister's failures. This is the quality of his leadership. By all means, he has avoided playing politics on this pandemic crisis. I will now tell you what Prime Minister Modi has done, even though it is not his primary responsibility of making arrangements. This Rahul Gandhi had criticized Modi for exporting vaccines and painted this noble effort as an attempt to garner publicity at the cost of India's citizens. Can you believe this, ladies and gentlemen, my friends? And he had urged Prime Minister Modi to place an immediate moratorium on the export of vaccines. But because of the help Modi had provided to the world, including the most powerful country on earth, the United States of America, by sending remdesivir and vaccines and other medical equipments, they are now reciprocating by sending us life-saving medical supplies and medical equipment to help India fight the deadly corona crisis. I will read out what Joe Biden has tweeted. Just as India sent assistance to the United States as our hospitals were strained early in the pandemic, we are determined to help India in its time of need. Rahul Gandhi ji, if Prime Minister Modi would not have helped America, it would have not reciprocated to help us. Please do not play politics over pandemic crisis. And mind you, India is in the safe hands of Prime Minister Modi. Just one call from our National Security Advisor, Ajit Doval, to the White House and we hear the US extending support to India by lifting the ban on the export of raw material to make vaccines in India. This is the team of Narendra Modi. This is the respect of Narendra Modi in the eyes of the world. If the support was not coming through from the US, Rahul Gandhi ji, we would not have been able to curb the surge of this pandemic. And not only the US, other countries are also coming in support of India. The European Union and Germany are mobilizing aid to support India. Canada, Pakistan, and Iran are also ready to supply equipment and medical supplies to India. All this is happening because of one man, and that is Narendra Modi. And what the chief ministers are doing? Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal receives funds from the Prime Minister Care Fund for setting up 8 oxygen plants in Delhi, but builds only one. And this gentleman does a live notanki of trying to insinuate that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is not doing anything with regard to curbing the pandemic which is surging in India. Almost all chief ministers have failed, but they want to put all the blame on Narendra Modi. And what they do, they indulge in spreading fake news, posting fake pictures, and indulging in vulture politics. Just look at the faces of these vulture journalists like Barkha Dutt and Rona Ayub, who are dancing on the maqbar of dead bodies in the cremation grounds. This is very shameful, and blaming only one person. When the help from these countries begin to pour in and things start to improve, and I believe so, that time these vulture journalists and vulture politicians will hide in their holes and not speak a word on the situation at that point of time. This is the character of this anti-India brigade, and this has to be exposed, and this has to be spread through the video which I have made. There are other YouTubers also doing the same thing, and it is our responsibility, and whoever loves the country and thinks that he is a responsible citizen should at least share those videos or those people's videos who are in favor of the good of this great nation. I hope at least one among my followers would share this video to his friend or to her friends, and that would multiply into many shares. So thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.